Honor is gearing up to roll out a significant software update for the Magic 7 Pro in the coming days, continuing the momentum from its big announcement at Mobile World Congress, MWC, 2025. As part of its newly unveiled Alpha Plan, Honor is extending its software support policy, committing to an impressive 7 years of Android OS and security updates for flagship devices like the Magic 7 Pro. This move not only surpasses its earlier 5-year promise but also positions Honor alongside top players like Google and Samsung in terms of long-term software reliability. The upcoming update is expected to lay the foundation for this extended support cycle, likely bringing key security patches, performance optimizations, and possibly even early features tied to Honor's growing AI ecosystem. The first wave of updates will hit users in the European Union, with a global rollout planned shortly after. While specific details about the features of this next update remain under wraps, the focus seems to be on enhancing device longevity, boosting security, and integrating new intelligent features that tie into Honor's broader push toward AI-powered user experiences. Users of the Magic 7 Pro can look forward to a device that stays current and competitive for years to come, making it a standout option in 2025's premium smartphone market.